Good morning children. Today we are going to see the new chapter, chapter 3 algebra. In that we are going to see multiplication of algebraic expression. Before that, in our early classes we have learned about constant, variables, like terms, unlike terms, coefficients, numerical and algebraic expressions. Later we done some basic operations like addition and subtraction. Let us recall it. From this algebraic expression, that is 2x square minus 5xy plus 6y square plus 7, you have to identify the variables, constant, terms, number of terms and the numerical coefficients of each term. We know that variable is which have different values with the alphabet such as x, y, a, b, etc. Here the variables are x. In this term they are having the variable xy, and for this term they have the variable y. Therefore the variables are x, y and xy. Next one is a constant. Constant is only a numerical value. This expression, the numerical value is only plus 7. Therefore the constant is 7. And the terms is the combination of a constant and the variable, or even we can say it as a constant alone. Here the terms are 2x square minus 5xy, 6y square and 7. For this algebraic expressions we are having 4 terms. The next one is the numerical coefficient of each term. If you are taking the first term 2x square, the numerical coefficient is 2. That is the numerical factor of the terms. That is 2x square, the numerical coefficient is 2. For minus 5xy, the numerical coefficient is minus 5. And 6y square, the numerical coefficient is 6. Let's see how to add the algebraic expression. For that 2xy, 6y, 9x and 2y is given. You have to add this 4 terms. Since it is given as addition, you have to put plus sign in between it. Then you have to group the like terms. Then you have to add the coefficient of like terms. We get 11x plus 4y. Same way for subtraction. Subtract minus 2mn from 6mn. It is given as you have to subtract it from 6mn. You can write 6mn minus of minus 2mn. For subtracting, first you have to change this minus sign into plus sign. Then you have to take the additive inverse of all the terms inside the bracket. Here we are having minus 2mn. This can be changed it as plus 2mn. Again, in the next step, these two are like terms. So we are adding the coefficients of these like terms. Then we get 8mn. Now see how to multiply the algebraic expressions. To multiply the algebraic expressions, we are having 4 ways. The first one is the product of a monomial with a monomial. Monomial is an algebraic expressions with one term. The second one is the polynomial with a monomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expressions which has more than 3 terms. When we call that algebraic expression as polynomial. And the third way is a binomial with a binomial. Here the binomial is an algebraic expressions which has only 2 terms. And the fourth way is a polynomial with a polynomial. To multiply algebraic expressions, follow the steps given below. First, you have to multiply the signs of the terms. That is, when 2 like signs are given, then it multiply to get a positive. When 2 like signs are multiplied, it will get a negative. That is, plus into plus, we get answer in plus. Minus into minus also, we get the answer in plus. For unlike signs, that is plus into minus, the product is always minus. And minus into plus, also the product is always minus. And the second step you have to follow is multiply the corresponding coefficients of the terms. And the third step, multiply the variable factors using laws of exponent. That is, if x is a variable and m and n are positive integers, then x power n, m into x power n equal to x power m plus n. For example, x cube into x square, here the variable is x. Then for the powers you have to add it. That is 3 plus 2, we get x power 5. Now let's see some example of each ways. First we are going to find out the product of monomials. That is 2x. Find the product of 2x square y square, 3y square z and minus z square x cube. Since it is a product, you have to put the multiplication sign. And the first step to multiply the algebraic expression is you have to multiply the signs. Here it is a plus, and for the second term also it plus, and for third term it is minus. When you are multiplying the signs, that is plus into plus plus, plus into minus, we get minus. Then the second step is you have to multiply the coefficients. Here the coefficient is 2, and for second term the coefficient is 3, and for the third term the coefficient is 1. If you are multiplying 2, 3 and 1, we get 6. And the third step is you have to multiply the variable using the laws of exponents. Since x is and x have x square into x cube, when we are added x power 2 plus 3, again the y variables are multiplied, we get y power 2 plus 2. And if you multiply the z variable, we get z power 2 plus 1. Therefore, the answer is minus 6 x power 5 y power 4 z cube. Let's say the another example, multiplied 3x square y and 2x cube y cube minus 5x square y plus 9xy. Here we are multiplying the monomial with polynomial. For that, you have to multiply this monomial algebraic expression with each terms of the polynomial. That is 3x square y multiplied by 2x cube y cube, and the 3x square y has to be multiplied with minus 5x square y, and the 3x square y is multiplied with 9xy. Then again we are multiplying the sign and the coefficient. Then you have to multiply the variable. We get 6x power 5 y power 4 minus 15x power 4 y square plus 27x cube y square. And the third example we are seeing is the product of binomial with binomial. For that, first you have to take the first term of the first algebraic expression. With that, you have to multiply the whole terms of the second algebraic expression. That is, with the 2x, you have to multiply 3x minus 4y. And with the second term also, you have to multiply the whole algebraic expression. That is 5y into 3x minus 4y. Again, you have to split it and multiply. With each term, we get 2x into 3x, we get 6x square. Then 2x into minus 4y, we get minus 8xy. The same way, the 5y has to be multiplied with the two terms inside the brackets. We get 5y into 3x, we get 15xy. And 5y into minus 4y, we get minus 20y square. By seeing this, we can able to see this minus xy and plus 15xy are like terms. So, we are adding it to simplify. We get 6x square plus 7xy minus 20y square. Thank you.